If you click to watch this video, I know that you're wondering how to apply for the $40,000 offered by Western Union Foundation. Yes, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can apply for this $40,000 by Western Union Foundation. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end. Yes, so if you're new to my channel, please introduce yourself in the comments. I'm eager to meet you. I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Leave a comment in the comments below. And I just want to know, here I'm building a community, and I want to know every single one of you that come to click to watch my videos. And to all of my returning subscribers, into me, Eshegon, thank you so much for always sharing my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for always liking my video. If you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like this video. Please like this video. What are you waiting for? Please like this video and do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't you like the energy here? E for energy. You know your girl is working for. I'm working for you guys day and night. Sometimes I do my research till about 4 a.m. I'm telling you, just so that I can compile these videos. Compile these contents, the information together, and bring it to you guys just as it is hot. So guys, if this is something you're interested in, please watch this video till the end. Yes. I know I'm goofy. I don't want to shout me. So guys, Western Union Foundation is offering $40,000. Yes, and in case you're wondering who I am, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube every Sundays, 1 p.m. Pacific time. So make it a date to join me right here on YouTube. On the streets of YouTube. Let's talk. Let's be friends. So Western Union Foundation is equipping courageous innovators that are supporting highly marginalized refugee or displaced communities. Now, they are accepting. Western Union Foundation is currently accepting applications for the Western Union Foundation Fellowship on a rolling basis. This means that this video never expires, because they will, even if they don't pick you this time, they can always pick you the next time. You can always reapply. Now, the Western Union Foundation Fellowship is for next generation entrepreneurs and community leaders working with highly marginalized refugee and forcibly displaced communities around the globe, around the world. Now, this 16-week long program is designed to equip these next generation entrepreneurs and leaders with the skills and experience to increase access to economic opportunity, have the opportunity to earn seed funding, integrate into their communities, succeed in the evolving nature of work, and transform their communities. Now, this program is offered with virtual and in-person components that allows fellows to take advantage of the global cohort while also focusing on creating local impact within their communities. Now, virtual programming includes impact series, workshops, and weekly check-ins. In-person programming includes local fellow-led base camps and a fellow-led meetup. Now, $40,000 in seed funding will be distributed among the Western Union Foundation fellows based on progress throughout the fellowship. In case you're asking, is this fellowship for you? Here is what you need to know. The Western Union Foundation Fellowship is for next generation high promising entrepreneurs and community leaders who are from and working with highly marginalized refugee and forcibly displaced communities around the world. Now, they are looking for applicants from and are working in the following countries. Mexico is part of it. If you're from Mexico, Kenya, Austria, Brazil, Canada, Colombia, Ethiopia, France, Germany, Italy, India, Jordan, Lebanon, United Arab Emirates, Peru, Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Uganda, United Kingdom, and United States and Afghanistan. Now, ideal applicants will join with relevant social impact and leadership experiences with proven experience of building community development projects within these communities. Now, Western Union Foundation fellows must be able to commit to be part of the 16-week program from January 19th to May 4th of 2023. Now, there is a 2-week intensive 20 to 25 hours per week, followed by 14 weeks of weekly programming, which is 5 to 8 hours per week. And fellows will be given a stipend to spend an additional 80 to 100 hours implementing a 3-day intensive program called Base Camp. Now, This is a fully funded program thanks to the support of the Western Union Foundation. So if you're yet to turn on your notification bells, please go ahead and turn on your notification bells, because on this channel I'm going to be sharing lots of information. Lots of grants are coming up on this channel. Lots of great juicy information. Grants for non-profits, grants for business, grants for small businesses, grants for non-profit organizations, fully funded conferences, how to study abroad for free, and so many other freebies. You know this girl, I'm working for you guys day and night, and I've got you covered. I'm doing research day and night. I sleep till I do my research till about 4 a.m. Just, most of you know, right, that I do these researches till about this time. So don't forget to turn on your notification so that you will not miss out whenever I drop juicy information like that on this channel. Yes, so guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, do not forget to share this video on all your social media platforms. Let's be a blessing to other people. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell your friends, your family members, and of course your village members as well. So if you are looking to study abroad for free, but you don't know where to start from, check out these videos right here. Yes, where I shared information on how to study abroad for free. And one more thing is this: if you're looking to apply for grants, yes, when I say grants, I mean free money that you don't have to pay back. If you're looking to apply for grants, but you don't know where to start from, also check out this playlist and begin to apply ASAP. Don't forget to share with your friends. So click here, guys, and enjoy. Over here.